are in Dinokeng. Hi Nadia. Hi Alec Gabby. I'm a big fan. I hope you will watch my videos. Look at my dad. He's driving.
Hello.
We're looking for lion. Look at that. It's a brown for a beard.
How many blue wildebeest can you count? Let's see. 1, 2. Do you know what animal this is? It is big and it is tall. You're right, it's a giraffe.
I don't see the cards. I see look at it. I can go out to all. To when we get there, look out earlier. It's only twice. Took now, and died you and come on by the look out.
Ah, okay.
At the lookout. No, we didn't see any animals today at the lookout. Maybe next time. Watch out for dangerous animals. What animals would you like to see?
A lion, zebra, rhino.
Here we go. What animal is this?
Kudu.
How many kudus can you count? That's correct. There's only one kudu.
Boomba.
How many war dogs do you see? 1, 2. Yes, there are 2 warthogs. Welcome to Bush Babies Lodge in Dinokeng.
Yay, God's in the game.
What animals do you really want to see today?
Lion.
see what animals are at Dinokeng Game Reserve. How many kudus can you count? Yes, there are 3 kudus. 1, 2, 3. Let's count the guinea fowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Zo, je moet de pikkie taten kwijt. Net als die lion kan zien. Want niet zo ook weer een lion. Dan bloot op een kou.
Can you see the green-backed heron? Wait for it. There it is. Let's see if you can count the impala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, there's too many to count. 1 black-backed jackal. 1 ostrich. 1 kudu bull. 1 eland. What animals are these? Yes, that's correct. They are rhino. How many rhinos can you count? 1, 2. Can you spot the third one? There it is. It's a baby rhino. Did you see? They have flat mouths to eat the grass. That means these rhino are white rhino. Did you see the little one again? What animal is that? It's an itchy zebra, scratching its back on the tree. Be very, very quiet. The lion is hunting a blue wildebeest. Needs to stay very flat so that the wildebeest doesn't see it. Oh no, it's been spotted.
That lion too.
How many sleepy lions can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. There are 4 lions sleeping. In the road there. It's a zebra. zebras can you count? 1, 2, 3.
Subscribe to my channel. Click subscribe.